Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of the NVF2G series variable frequency drives. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. The necessary tools include an electric screwdriver, wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, twisted pair shielded cables, wireless, screwdrivers, and insulating gloves. Do not open the enclosure within 10 minutes of power disconnection. When you are using the drives, please pay attention to the installation spacing and distance requirements, as shown in figure. Pay attention to the following instructions. When installing multiple VFDs vertically, windshields must be added in between drives. When multiple VFDs are installed obliquely, ensure that the air ducts on the inlet side and the air ducts on the outlet side are separated. Secure it at an appropriate position inside the cabinet. Flip open the cover plate. First, strip 9 to 11 mm of the copper wire at the end of the wire that is connected to the relay, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. AI1 AI2 are analog input terminals, with a common terminal GND. AI1 can be configured for either voltage or current input via J601. Short J601 1 to 2 for voltage input, 2 to 3 for current input. For 85 positive, for 85 negative terminals comply with RS485 standard. AO1 and AO2 are analog output terminals, with a common terminal GND. AO1 can be configured for either voltage or current output via J603. Short J603 1 to 2 for voltage input, 2 to 3 for current input. For source wiring, it is necessary to short 1 to 2 of J606. Sync wiring needs to short circuit 2 to 3 of J606. R1A and R1B are normal open contact groups, and R1C and R1B smoothly remove it from the rail. R1A, R1B, R1C are relay 1 contact outputs. R2A and R2B are normal open contact groups, and R2C and R2B smoothly remove it from the rail. R2A, R2B, R2C are relay 2 contact outputs. Y1 COM is the open collector output. Taking the main circuit wiring as an example, our ST connects to the power supply, and UVW connects to the motor. If the brake is to be connected, you need to remove the yellow card and connect the external brake resistor to the positive and B terminals. Note that the far left terminal is the grounding terminal. The protection terminal must be reliably grounded. The positive and negative terminals of the VFD DC bus are DC terminals and can be connected to DC power input. The external brake terminals are connected according to actual needs. After confirming that the wiring is correct and the voltage is consistent with that of the product, power on for 1 to 2 seconds and the VFD will display 50.00 Hz. The above provides an overview of VFD installation and wiring. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.